morning class second. As you know that your grammar syllabus is already completed, and today we are going to start English literature chapter number 8, Cinderella. This is the last chapter of your English first syllabus. So this story is about a girl, Cinderella, and I thought most of you must knowing about it and you know about this story. So let's see what happened in this story. Once upon a time, there was a girl, a pretty girl, and she was living with her mother and father. And one day, her mother died, and her father married to another woman. And now that girl is having a stepmother, and that stepmother was very much cruel means harsh. She was very bad in nature towards the pretty girl. That stepmother was having two another daughter. They were also very mean, they were also very cruel. They both were also very much harsh for the pretty girl. The mother, the stepmother, and her daughters always told her to do all housework. They told her to clean the house. They told her to wash the utensils and to wash the clothes. After completing all the work, she always sit in the corner of the chimney and sit in the cinders to keep warm. Cinders means ashes. Because she was sitting in the cinders, that's why everyone start calling her Cinderella. And where she was sleeping on straw bed made up of straw. But her stepsisters and stepmother were living in a beautiful room, but Cinderella was sleeping on the straw bed with, and her stepsister were having big mirrors and soft bed in their room. But that girl was not saying anything. She was always remaining silent. And who was the friend of Cinderella? The friend of Cinderella was six little mice, and that mice were living in the chimney. One day, what happened? They got an invitation to grand ball. Ball means to for a party, like a party. It means a gathering at King's palace. But her stepmother told that Cinderella will not go in that party. Now, what happened? The mother and her daughter told Cinderella to make a new dresses for them and do all the work. But Cinderella was also want to go in that party. But she didn't ask her stepmother and sister. On the day of ball, everyone went to the party and Cinderella was alone at her home. Cinderella went to the back of the garden and started crying. She wished in her heart to go in the party. She was want to go in the ball. And suddenly what happened? A fairy appears and told, "Why are you crying, my dear? What's the matter?" And now Cinderella was surprised. Cinderella wanted to speak something, but she was crying. That's why she was not able to speak anything. And then Fairy told, "You wish to go to ball." Now Fairy is asking her that you want to go there because she is a fairy. She knows everything. Now Fairy was saying, "Don't cry, I will send you to the ball." Now Fairy started moving her magic wand. Wand means magic stick. And what happened? Cinderella old cloth changes into a new beautiful cloth, which was white in color and decorated with silver and gold flower. And she was wearing a shiny glass slipper. Now Cinderella is asking how I will go to the ball. The fairy looked around here and there and saw a large pumpkin was there in the garden. And now she tapped the pumpkin and turned into the fine coach. Now they thought they will need horses to pull the coach, and they also want a coachman. Now the Cinderella's friend means six little mice were there, and fairy make them four shiny horses and two coachmen. And fairy there was six lizard also. Fairy changes into footman. Now fairy told, you are ready to go to the ball. Now fairy told one more thing, that magic will be for the midnight only, and Cinderella must come home before midnight. And Cinderella promised her that she will come back before midnight. When Cinderella entered in the party, everyone was gossiping that what a pretty girl, who is she, and from where she has came. And Cinderella's stepmother and stepsister was also not recognizing her because she was wearing pretty clothes. The prince saw Cinderella and fell in love with her. He asked her to dance. Everyone was surprised because Cinderella was dancing very gracefully. Here Cinderella was also so happy because she was dancing with the prince, and she forgot about the fairy's warning. What was the warning? That she has to come before the midnight. Then suddenly she realized that it was midnight. Now she told, oh no, I have to go. Cinderella ran out of the place without looking back. One of the glass slipper left there in the palace of prince. The prince found that glass slipper and told, I will marry the girl who wore this slipper. Whose slipper is this? I will marry that girl. Now next day he starts searching that girl in his kingdom and in every house of the kingdom. Every girl was trying the slipper, but it was not fit to everyone. Now, as at the last, what happened? Prince reached Cinderella's house. Their stepsisters also tried, but the slipper couldn't came. Now it was Cinderella's turn. The two sisters giggled. Giggled means they were laughing. And why they were giggled? Because Prince was offering the slipper to Cinderella. Now everybody was surprised because the slipper was perfectly fit in the Cinderella's feet. Now Cinderella take out the other slippers also from her pocket and she wore it. When she wore the second slipper, she again turned into a beautiful girl. This time Prince was very happy to see her and he married Cinderella and they were living happily after that. Now start doing exercise. This exercise do in book. What is this? Cinderella's father married again because her mother left. Her mother became a fairy. Her mother asked him to and her mother died. So her mother was died, that's why Cinderella's father married again. Cinderella's stepmother was very caring, cruel, beautiful or gentle. Cruel. Cinderella was made to sleep on a soft bed, a thick bed, a straw bed, the floor. A straw bed. She was sleeping on it. Next, the fairy turned the six lizards into footmen, coachmen, pumpkin, mice, footmen. When Cinderella wore the glass slippers, they broke into the pieces. They fitted her perfectly. The coach turned into pumpkin. The fairy got angry. So they fitted her perfectly. Second one. Now open everyone English first copy. Write today's date, lesson number, lesson name and keywords. And we will write keywords in a beautiful slipper. Now our keywords are gentle, cruel, chimney, cinder, silently, ball, wand, amazed. Now to question answer. Question number 1 is why the little girl called Cinderella. Now what is the answer? Because she was sitting in the cinders to keep warm. Full stop. Leave one line. Write question number 2. Question number 2 is what did the stepsisters make Cinderella to do before going to the ball? So the answer is the sisters made Cinderella sew new dresses for them. Now next exercise is draw smiley face for true and sad face for false statement. Cinderella's stepmother was very gentle. True or false? False. So make a sad face. Cinderella has three stepsisters. False, because she has two stepsisters. False, for false, make a sad face. Cinderella would sit in the cinders to keep warm. True, make happy face. Now next sentence is Cinderella's stepmother allowed her to go to the ball. False, sad face. The prince married Cinderella's stepsister. False, sad face. Now write activity. Activity 1. What is the first activity? You have to do crossword from page number 75. This crossword here. Okay, or you can take a full page for doing this pumpkin like this. You have to just see all the words which you have to fill here. Here crossword is given. With the help of this you will fill that crossword and do here in activity 1. Now activity 2 is draw picture of Cinderella. You have to draw a beautiful picture of Cinderella here on this page. Okay, and color it. Now here your syllabus is completed, so you have to write annual syllabus of English first is completed. Okay, so in this chapter you have to do keywords, then question answer, then true and false, then first activity of crossword, second activity of Cinderella picture, and now write it that your syllabus is completed. Now your work is to complete all the work, all the syllabus in your copy and learn everything. Okay, thank you, take care.